Hey everyone, I'm Nick and welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out the Linkifun GT8D AI box. This upgrades your car's existing CarPlay radio to a media center that lets you play videos from YouTube or Netflix, either using your phone as a hotspot or a SIM card. On top of that, it also lets you use wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so it's like an all-in-one upgrade to your car's factory CarPlay radio. Now before we go test it out, let's check out what's included in the box. Alright, so let's take a look at what's included. Got a user manual, the box itself, nice gloss finish. It's our HDMI output, USB-C port, micro SD card slot in the top, and SIM card slot in the bottom, and everything has a dust cover too, which is very nice. Except this, because that's always going to be plugged in when you're using it. Got some little standoffs, so if it's on a flat surface, it won't block the vents. Got some of the specs listed here too. Android 15, Qualcomm SM6350 6-core. Very cool. Then we have our other accessories, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a power piggyback cable in case your USB port doesn't provide enough power to run the box. So this side plugs into your data port where you'd plug in your phone for a CarPlay, and this side plugs into an extra power port, so like a 12-volt adapter or something like that. And then the box plugs in right here. And last but not least, we have our HDMI adapter, the small plug that goes into the box, and a regular size HDMI port right here. Now they sent me the kit with the micro SD card, so I got a 64 gig card right here, and an adapter right here, so I can transfer files to it from my computer. So the card just goes in here. Plug that into the computer to load it up with whatever you want. So music, videos, and anything like that. Now that we've seen everything that's included, let's get into a car and test this out. We're in my car that has an aftermarket head unit with wired CarPlay. So we're gonna get the AI box here. I'm gonna use the Y cable for power. So pop this in here, and I'm gonna plug this into my port that I use for wired CarPlay. Just get it in right there. And I'm gonna plug the other end into my adapter for power. Here we go, it's powering on, with RGB lighting behind the design here. And we have a little indicator light right here by the USB port. Now it's connecting. You'll notice that earlier it booted and the logo was offset. It actually restarted to adjust the resolution to match the screen. Standard warning here. And here's our interface. So we're connected. We have Google Maps loads in right here, which will work if you have hotspot or data on it. We've got real-time usage on the CPU, RAM, and a shortcut for cleanup to free up some memory, and a bunch of other links. So let's take a quick tour and see what kind of apps are already installed. Got Google Assistant, Hulu, Netflix, VLC, video. We've got a lights shortcut here, so we can actually change this to different options here. Let's have it cycle through different colors. Our floating button here, let us go back. We've got APK installer, GPS test, another APK installer, Disney Plus, YouTube Music, shortcut to go back to the car's main interface, YouTube and Spotify, Chrome, Car Auto, which we'll try later for wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, and settings. So I'm going to pop into settings, connect to my phone's hotspot, and the floating button here will let you go back to home really easily. Now we want to check out YouTube because watching videos with this is one of the highlights. So it's a great option if you have a lunch break, you want to have your lunch in your car where it's nice and cool, and you want to put something on your screen. Maybe you want to watch one of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Welcome to the channel. Last time, we pulled the supercharger off this car to keep it spare. So next, I'm going to break these loose, but first I'm going to show you how to support the engine before we keep going. So, there you go. Just log into whatever apps you want to watch videos. You can use your phone as a hotspot, or you can get a SIM card and run it like that. Now, alternatively, you can also use the micro SD card slot and watch videos off of that. So if you're in a place that doesn't have internet, or you don't want to use a hotspot on your phone, grab the card, pop it in there, and I think if we go into VLC, there's a video right here. Well, that's really cool. And of course, if you like the convenience of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can just hit the shortcut there and we can get connected. If we go to our Bluetooth in our phone, right here I have my iPhone. I'm going to look for a device called AI Box. So we'll connect to AI Box and Bluetooth here. We'll hit pair and it's connecting. And there we go. We are in Apple CarPlay. So all the compatible apps that are installed on your phone will show up here. So for me, that's things like Pocket Casts, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. And if I go to Now Playing, and we can jump back into the main interface for the AI box by hitting Car. And we get back to the landing screen right here. And for Android Auto, it's the same thing. It's connecting. We're connected, and we have all our compatible apps right here. So really this gives you a ton of features like video playback if you use a hotspot, or even a data plan with a SIM card. You can watch videos on all sorts of apps, install your own apps, customize it to make it your own, and also use wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So all of that's a really big upgrade for your factory radio that has wired CarPlay. And that is the Linkifun GT8D. It gives you a lot of flexibility, and it's a big upgrade to any car that has wired CarPlay already. And if you're gonna watch videos on your car screen, make sure to do so safely and don't put yourself and others at risk. I wanna say a huge thank you to Linkifun for sending me this to review. And if you wanna get one for yourself, I'll leave a link in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and to hype it. And if you wanna see more videos like this, or you wanna watch me work on cars, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.